guys, how are you? Oh my gosh, I am so excited because our Christmas jewelry came, and I actually have an event tomorrow at lunchtime that I need to get ready for, and I just got Benny down for bed. I'm just watching him to make sure he stays down. So I have a lot to do tonight. I have to tag all this jewelry. I have to get it all packed and organized, but I thought I would share with you guys because I haven't even opened the package yet, and I'm really, really excited to share with you. So this is our entire Christmas collection that just came out. So this is a beautiful line of, I think, 12 or 13 pieces. It's a capsule collection, meaning that you can mix and match. And as you guys know, I will be doing a much more in-depth video showing you all the pieces and how you can wear them. But today I'm just unboxing. So I'm literally just gonna take them out and show you and enjoy with you, and then another day we'll go live and we'll do them all. So are we ready? I'm gonna go quick because, like I told you, I have a jewelry show tomorrow. It's actually at an office downtown in downtown Buffalo, so I want to make sure that I am ready. So the first one is Olivia. Okay, this is a black hematite and silver necklace. It's a lariat style, I believe. So you can really, like, when I saw this, and it's probably going to be a little tangled, there are so many ways that you can wear this. So you guys know I will definitely be doing a ways to wear it Wednesday with this one to show you all of the ways. If you are familiar with our dove necklace that is in the gray and rose gold, it's very similar. So if you see, look at that beautiful shimmer. So it has a beautiful crystal on the bottom, and then the black chain, which is so pretty. And so it is a little tangled. Sometimes out of the box they're a little tangled, not a big deal. So I will have to come back to this one. Oh, maybe I got it. Okay. So it's lariat style, meaning that there are no clasps. So you can do a lot of different things with it. So it's a very long necklace. As you can see, you can tie it a bunch of different ways. Like I told you, I don't have time to tie it all. Hey, Kelly, love it. But I will do that another day. What do I have here? Ooh, these are earrings. Okay, so this is Bridget. Look at those earrings. Ooh, they are like a matte silver with black beads. Nice and long, nice statement earring. Definitely lightweight, so I love those. So that was Bridget. What I love is that all of our jewelry now from this collection has a name, like a real name. This is Meg. Okay, Meg is a long necklace, multiple strands, one of the most versatile necklaces. I'm so happy that this collection is bringing back the versatility that Premier is known for, because our last collection was gorgeous and I still love it, but it didn't have quite the versatility that I was used to. And so I am ecstatic about this. Okay, so this is a 3-stranded necklace. Let me just, all sorts of tangle, but we're going to have to do it another day. So this is the shortest strand, beautiful little pendant. Here is the middle strand. It's reversible, I believe. So one side has the crystals and the hammered, and the other side doesn't. And then this piece down here is also reversible. So it's got black texture on one side, really shimmery, and the other side is a stamped, like a stamped pattern. And this one is removable. It has that closure, that charm closure, so you can remove that and just wear this by itself. And of course, like I said, it's a little bit, where are we here? There we go. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. So you guys know, like I said, I will go more in depth with this and really show it with some outfits, but I'm very excited about this. Another reason I'm excited is it's different metals mixed together. So this has some matte gold, some silver, some hematite black, so you can really mix and match. Oh, Kelly, you should be watching this because you have your show coming up. Kelly's going to be hosting an event and she is going to get some free jewelry. So this is Parker. So Parker is a great gift. So for any guys watching or guys in your life that need a hint, this is a great gift item. So this is a set. It's actually a bracelet and earring set. So this is the silver version. So it is a bracelet that is a matte, this one's the matte silver, hammered silver, so very casual. And on the inside, it has an engraving. It says, "Count your blessings." And it is one of our adjustable bracelets that has the slide closure, so it's a drawstring. So really easy to wear. And then post earrings, which are also very easy to wear. So that is a set called Parker, great for gift giving. So excited, I have a lot more. This is the Meg earrings. So the Meg earrings obviously match the Meg necklace. And I heard that these are super lightweight, which they are. So how pretty are those? That is a hammered gold, matte gold tone, and the beautiful crystals around the outside. It is a fish hook earring, super lightweight. That would actually go really cute with what I'm wearing today. Do you guys like my mustard color shirt? I wasn't quite sure about it, but I love it. Okay, so that was the Meg earrings. Still going. Okay, Olivia. I don't know what that is. Looks like earrings, possibly. Okay. You guys can comment. You can let me know if you're excited too. This was Olivia. These are earrings. So this looks like it's going to match the first necklace I showed you. Oh yeah, the Olivia necklace. Remember the lariat style? So here are the earrings that go with it. These are super fun. So those are a black hematite and silver, so mixed metal. Those are perfect for a holiday party or a New Year's party. Super lightweight. And what I love about our Christmas collections is that they're never like red and green Christmas. You can wear them all year. So those are the Olivia earrings that go with the Olivia necklace. This is the Parker in gold. So I already showed you the Parker with the stud earrings and the bracelet. So this is the gold version. So there is a matte silver or a matte gold. Okay. Oh, this is so special. Okay, so this is our verse of the year ornament. So every year, Premier picks a Bible verse that is the verse of the year. And then every Christmas, we have a ornament that shows the verse of the year. So this is our beautiful ornament of the year. It makes a great gift. And let me see, our verse of the year, I always forget. It is Psalm 37:5. Commit everything you do to the Lord, trust him, and he will help you. How gorgeous is that ornament though? Seriously. So that is our verse of the year ornament. So you can order that or get that free if you're hosting an event. Do we see the name of this one? Jackie. I have a jewelry piece named after me. So excited. Okay, so this is our Jackie necklace. And what I'm really excited about, oh, it's really light. Okay, so it's a statement necklace. These are all kind of turned around. Sometimes, guys, when you get your jewelry out of the box, you have to kind of play around with it for a second. So just chill. This is very light. So it is a clear bead, but I thought it would be heavy. I thought it was like glass. I think it is glass, but it's super light. It is very light. It looks really heavy. What I love about this is when we were being shown this the other day, it reflects like whatever you put it on. I don't have any other colors in front of me, but see my yellow, like kind of is clear. So it changes color based on what you're wearing it on. So she had it on black, then she had it on a beautiful brown cream. Like it just is beautiful. It's a really pretty statement necklace. I think I might wear it tomorrow. And it does have a little area where you can change in a removable extender, so it goes longer as well. So that was Jackie. So excited. Okay, this is a ring, and this is Faithful. Okay, this is a super fun ring. I said wing. This is a super fun ring. So this is our faith ring, Faithful. These are all brand new, so give me a second here. So, how cool is that? So it's a ring, but it actually has 5 charms spelling faith. It's actually very lightweight. it looked like it would be heavy. These don't make noise or do anything. They're super lightweight, so that's really fun. I'm just gonna keep that on for a second. And then our other ring is Tess. Tess looked beautiful when I saw it in the catalog. Okay, so this is the Tess ring. Let me see, I'll take Faithful off for a second so you guys can see it. So this is Tess. This is a mixture of metals again. So the actual ring is matte silver. The pendant on the top is a matte gold. And then there are black crystals. So you see the gold, you see the black, and you see the silver. And so again, all of these pieces in the Christmas capsule have all different metals and can be mixed and matched to really be able to wear them all together. And that is the point. Okay, this is Heather. This is one that I have just been dying to see because the pendant on it looks gorgeous. Okay. This is another one that is really versatile. You can wear it a million different ways. So I can't wait to do a ways to wear it on this one. Look at this pendant. So this one was designed with a boutique jewelry vibe so that it had that unique high-end feel. How gorgeous is that pendant? It is reversible, so if the sparkle is too much, you have the other side, again, a mixture of silver and gold. It is removable as well. And then the long set of beads, which is pretty light. It's like a grayish blue, and it also has these sort of hematite disco balls at the bottom, I like to call them. And so this can be doubled up. You can wear it short with the pendant. You can remove the pendant, do a lot of stuff with this. So this is going to be a bestseller for sure. So that is the, what did I just say it's called? See, I don't know the names yet. Heather. So that's the Heather necklace. And I have one more piece, and this is the one I'm really excited about. If you guys have been with me, I've been selling Premier for almost 5 years. It's crazy. A couple years ago, we had a pearl necklace called Girl's Best Friend, and it was so popular. And so we have a new set of pearls. And what's super cool about this one, and I'll show you, is that it's very versatile. So this is, I didn't even look at the name, I forgot. This is Elizabeth. So it is a statement necklace of pearls of all different sizes. The smaller pearls are shiny and the larger pearls are matte, so it gives it some texture and depth. And if you're like, holy cow girl, I would never wear all of those together. Well, what's so awesome is that every single one of the strands has a removable clasp. And so if you just want to wear like one, so if you just wanted to wear one, you could just wear one. If you wanted to wear 2, 3, 4, 5, you can mix and match. And if you wanted to wear it long, you can wear it long. So I am definitely going to be showing you guys in a separate video all the ways you can wear this. I'm pretty sure for my office event that I have tomorrow downtown, I'm going to be wearing this. So you guys can check my Instagram and my Facebook to see what I'm wearing. That is it. That is all the Christmas jewelry. So there's 12 or 13 pieces. So excited. It's going to take you from Christmas time into winter into spring because there's nothing red and green, nothing too fancy. If you guys want a catalog, it's a tiny little catalog. I'd be happy to mail it to you. Just comment below. Let me know that you want that. You can also just go right to my website, jewelrywithjackie.com. Want to let you guys know really quick, I have 2 events coming up. One is this Saturday in person. It's actually in Depew. If you are in the area, I would love for you to stop by, try on the jewelry. We're also going to be going live from that event if you want to see it in person, on Facebook Live a little bit more in depth. So just comment below if you want to be added to that event. And then on October 30th, I will be doing my live Facebook Christmas event where I will be in my closet like I always am and be showing you all the ways to wear and all the fun things. So if you want invitations or events for either of those, let me know. If you'd like a catalog, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to go play and organize with my jewelry. I hope you guys have a good night, and I will see you soon. Bye.